Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to receive from other wallets from Telegram wallet. So you want to receive crypto wallet from other wallets using Telegram wallet. Here is how you can get it. Just click on this 3-line icon, then to do that, then click on the wallet option. Once you click on the wallet option, and give the wallet app 3 seconds to load. Click on the exchange button. Click on the wallet is empty. We like to buy some crypto. To do that, then right here we have 2 methods. External, but we're going for the external password, which is that is where I can receive from other wallet. Click it right here, and simply choose with any of this particular asset, which of the assets I want to receive from other wallet. So I want to receive USDT from other wallet. I'll just make sure I click on this particular wallet. Once accuracy made a mistake, you might end up losing your money. So make sure you click the accurate wallet. If you don't know, confirm from the other person where you want to receive the wallet from. Confirm which type of digital asset the person is sending to you, so you can know which assets to copy the address from. So right now we're just going to use the Toncoin as an example. That's how I want to receive a Toncoin from a friend. Then I'll just click on the Toncoin. Once I click on it, then I'll click on this. Just got it. Then right here I have another platform where I can copy the barcode. This is the QR code. Using a mobile phone or your friend is not close to you, your friend can simply place the QR code camera scanner at the screen. Just place it on the screen. The person just easily scan the QR code and transaction made. But the person is not somewhere close, you can also take the picture or send it to the person. But it's not advisable since the person is not somewhere close to you. Just use the copy and paste method, which is the copy address. Just click on the copy address, then you go to wherever platform your friend is. Go on Telegram, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram. Just copy the wallet and paste it for your friends to make the transaction. So when your friends make that, just go back to your main wallet and refresh the total assets balance. And that is how to receive wallet from other wallet. And that is how to receive another wallet from people with very helpful.